What's up? I want to give this quick update to you also. Let's in the charts, and it's very, very interesting, Bratans, because we are right now here on the 15-minute. I will zoom out also, but we are on the 15-minute here in this rising wedge, or we could say an ascending triangle. And technical price target is always from the rising wedge to the bottom of the wedge. It's 80,284 of the rising wedge, and of the ascending triangle. The technical price target is here around, wait a minute, I show you, it's a little bit slightly different. I mean, it's nearly the same, but yes, I want to share with you. So if we break it, I mean, yeah, it's nearly the same. So if we break it, it's very clear. If we break here this white line to the downside, we can start to short down Bitcoin, or we break it right now also. I tell you the price targets. The first price target, you have to take profits along the way. Down 90,075. The next one would be 18,950. The next one would be here around 18,865. The next one would be 80,813. The next one 18,721. Next one 18,634. 18,532. 18,400 and 18,282. And obviously the price target, the last price target would be here. So if you right now break it down, it's not confirmed right now, 18,000. So all in all, this could be a short opportunity of all in all around 6%, 10x average, 60%, 20x average, or 120%. Please take profits along the way down if we break it down. So we have to close the clear 15-minute candle, a clear red candle. I mean, like this, I mean, this very extreme, yes, but I mean a very clear body. You see, like here, very clear body, or at least something like this. And we need also a huge volume like this, right? That we can confirm, in my opinion, that we are breaking down. So at least a 50-minute candle. If we break it to the upside, then the technical price target is a different one. The technical price target would be around 20,680, right? So let me quickly show you. I would wait until if we even break here out, if we break 90,500, we can make a long to 19,650. Here I would take profits. I would wait until we break this green line to the upside. Then it's, in my opinion, more safe to long here, right? Wait a minute, I have to zoom out a little bit. So if we break 19,000, what I told you, 9,500 approximately, and if we're breaking here this line 9,650, then we can make a big long, in my opinion. The first price target would be 90,780. Next one 90,978. The next one would be around 20,100, and then the next one would be, wait a minute, I have to again a little bit on the 4-hourly zoom out. So I have again to begin at 19,500. So the next one would be, I told you 20,100, right? I told you around 20,100. The next one would be around 20,200. The next one would be around 20,400. And the last one would be here around the rising triangle would be 20,660. So also 6% long opportunity, 10x average, 60, 20x average, 120%. So again, for Bratans, for you who are so I tell you again, Bratans, so that everyone understands, also for the Paralympics ones. So Bratans, very clear, if we're breaking down here this symmetrical rising, твою ж мать, блядь. If we break this white line to the downside and closing clear 15-minute candle, a clear red 15-minute candle, and a clear red volume, we can start to short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Please take profits along the way down. If we break this white line and this green line to the upside, especially this green line, we can start to long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. My price targets you have, don't forget, Bratans, we are trading on Bybit. You get $4,620. You can use it for trading also. After a certain amount of initial deposit, you get obviously this bonus. And if you're trading through my affiliate link, what is much more important, you get free access to my Discord channel, which we are building right now, and Telegram channel. Link is down below, Bratans. And let me quickly watch Ethereum. Today is also Friday, so very interesting if we see on Friday a pump, we see usually throughout the weekend a pump. If we see on Friday a dump, we see throughout the weekend usually a dump, right? Very interesting how what will happen today. So Ethereum, let me quickly show you. So if Ethereum breaks to the downside, first price target would be here around 1,308. The next one would be here, this white line at 1,300. The next one would be here around 1,270. Next one 1,258, and the next one would be 1,242, 6.7%, 10x, 67, 20x, over 130%. Obviously, we can go even lower, but then I will make an update video. So if Bitcoin breaks to the downside, we can start to short Ethereum, right? If Bitcoin breaks to the upside, we can start to long Ethereum. First price target would be here 1,344, 1,350, 1,358. The next one would be our white support line at 1,360, and the next one, if we break it to the upside, 1,400. So all in all, 5.4%, 10x 54, 20x or 90% long opportunity if Bitcoin breaks to the upside. Also Ethereum, you can start to short, long, or just jerking on Bybit. Link is down below, bratan. So in my opinion, very clear. I show you quickly the big picture. If we are watching here on the big picture, on the 4-hourly, твою мать, блядь, it's early morning right now. I am a little bit like a disabled, blood. So technically we are in this descending broadening wedge. Technical price target of this descending broadening wedge is, if we break it to the upside, is around, wait a minute, I measure, is here around 1,600, right, of Ethereum. And the technical price target of this bigger picture, if we are watching even maybe on the daily, we have very, very huge. You see, we had here this rising wedge. We reached the price target, was the bottom of the wedge, and we are right now, Bitcoin, on a descending broadening wedge. So, and descending broadening wedge technical price target is at the moment, it's a bullish pattern, if we break it to the upside, technical price target would be around 28,400. You see, this is amazing. So all in all, this could be, on the big picture, this could be a long opportunity of at least 30%, brothers. Amazing. But let me again zoom out and again, quick recap. If we're breaking, oh, we saw a bounce on this line. That's amazing. You see, pizdiats, man. Slavic STA is the best one, bratans. If you think the same, please write how it's called, aubergine smiley, or like a sexy smiley in the comments. So if Bitcoin breaks this white line to the downside, so at the moment at the level of 90,220 with a clear 15-minute candle, we can start to short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. If we break here this level of 90,500, we can make a quick long to 90,650. And if we break 9,650, you can make even a bigger long on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the price targets. My price targets you have, also the price target of this rising symmetrical triangle you have. If you forgot it, watch the video from the start, bratans. Don't forget Bybit. Link, in my opinion, very clear, bratans. So I go right now, take a coffee, because I didn't even take coffee. I saw this and I have to tell you this, bratans. So if you have any questions, write them down below, or on the Telegram channel. Hit the like button if you like this Ponty A. I kiss you and I see you later.